Hi everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we're taking a look at the Vitilan e-bike. It's a foldable e-bike and can reach speeds up to 28 miles an hour, but we'll talk about it more in the review. So I'm now going to demonstrate how you can remove the battery. So what you want to do is you want to press the lever in, seat goes up, and then you've got the battery here. I've already got it onto the position, but you want to get it to the position down here so it clicks. Lift your handle up and the battery slides out. Okay, quite lightweight, and on the battery, as you can see here, it's a 48 volt 20 amp and it has a capacity to hold 960 watts. It's rechargeable, removable, means that you can charge it here externally and take it out the bike. So if I open this up here, so as you can see here, you can charge your phone or a device remotely, and if you wanted to charge the battery unit itself, there's a little thing here, and then you can plug the charger into a 3-pin plug. But so this can also be used as an external battery pack. Sliding it down back into position. Okay, handle goes down, just press down on it and then twist the key to the position that you want the bike to be in, so the on position. Okay, you can see it's on because the lights flash up here, and then the seat goes back down, and that is the battery of the bike. So we're now going to move on to the display. Really nice display on the Vitilan e-bike. All you need to do is just press and hold the power button and all your instruments will come up. So here it will display your miles per hour. You've got your total mileage for the trip here, and your pass settings, which is your pedal assistant settings, which you can adjust by pressing the minus button to go lower, or up to all the way to 5. 5 will take you to 28 miles an hour, and then the rest will gradually reduce your maximum speed. You can tell your battery percentage at the top here with your bars. Each bar represents roughly about 20% battery. So another thing about the display here, you can see you actually got a USB charger. So if you wanted to mount a phone to the handlebars, you can charge your phone remotely while the bike is on the on position. So as you can see, there are 20x4 fat tyres on this e-bike. Now, fat tyre bike riders often mention a sense of floating over the ground, as the relatively lower tyre pressure allows the fat tyres to absorb the unevennesses and bumps on the road. And it acts as a suspension system as well. Fat tyres provide a better grip because their large surface area distributes weight more evenly. So these fat tyres also have plastic rims than the traditional metal rims. Really, this just allows you to keep the bike tidier and keep the dirt off the bike as well. It's easier to maintain and clean. There are 7-speed Shimano gears on this bike, which can be adjusted from the handlebars on the top here. You can adjust the gears, so simply by pressing the plus button, and then to go down, press it upwards and it will bring you down to the lower gear. So it's got Shimano disc brakes, which is really good because it can bring you to a stop very quickly and efficiently, and more importantly, safely. So what sets this bike apart from any other e-bike that I've reviewed are the rear indicators. So I'm now going to demonstrate how you can use them. So the bike is on the on position. So to do the indicators, all we need to do is go from the middle position to right and then to left. And that's very simple. Rear indicators on a bike give you better visibility and enable you to tell other road users which direction you're wanting to go. Really good feature on the bike. It has LED dual lights on the front and a front reflector, giving you really better visibility on the road, especially when riding in poor visibility or at night time. At the front of the bike, we've got front dual suspensions, which will help you absorb any bumps while you're riding. Now, moving slowly onto the seat now, you can see we've got suspension on the seat, so if you do come across any bumps, you won't feel them while you're riding, just creating a nice, smoother riding experience for you. So the bike comes with rear and front mud guards. Again, this really just helps to keep all the dirt off your backside while you're riding, but a lovely feature, and they're very shiny, glossy mud guards as well, so they don't make the bike look ugly. So the bike's got a rear rack, and as you can tell on top, the max weight that you can put on this rack is 25 kilos. Now 25 kilos is actually a lot of weight on the bike, so this is really good. It can handle that much storage on the back, so it saves you from carrying it on your back while riding. So the bike's cables are really tidy. They almost got like these zip ties around them to keep them all together, and it's very neat finish on the bike. So as you can see, I'm not holding the bike up. The bike is being held by a kickstand, which is a really good feature, especially if you're just stopping. You don't have to lean the bike on anything. I'm now going to demonstrate how you can fold the bike down. I'm going to pull this up now, and then I'm going to pull this down. As you can see, once I've done that, the whole handlebar comes down to the frame here. And then one thing as well, so this isn't just as far as it goes. In the middle here, you can fold the bike in half, which just halves the bike size, which again is creating better portability for your bike. It's got a nice long chain on it with a matte black finish. Got really nice grippy pedals, so your feet don't slip while you're riding. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. A link to the product will be in the description down below. Please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video.